Hi friends, I have great pleasure in welcoming you to this odyssey of learning. My name is K. Mohan Chandran. I am the principal of BFIT Institute. I joined a nationalized bank way back in 1972 as a probationary officer, and I have risen to various levels. I served as the regional manager of the bank. I have written a few books on banking, and the first book on credit information bureaus in India. Today, the topic of our discussion is English, and we have an eminent personality to discuss the subject English with you all. Mr. R.S. Ramanujam, who is an MA English postgraduate with postgraduate diploma in journalism. The most important thing about him is that he has got more than 25 years of classroom teaching in English. His standard is that he is the person who sets the question papers for English teachers. Today, the main problem with most of the graduates who are passing out of the colleges and universities is that their communication skills, especially when it is in English, is not up to the expectations. Therefore, English is one of the primary subjects in which you have to get very high marks to be able to enter and you are able to crack any competitive examination. Mr. Ramanujam's classes will be not only instructive but also very lively, because he gives examples which are from our day-to-day life. His examples are fun-filled and will make learning easy for you, and you will be able to remember the examples and through them the concept. To cap it all, Mr. R.S. Ramanujam, he has been recognized for his service by the Government of India, and he got the most prestigious award, namely President's Award for National Outstanding Teacher. President Award is not an ordinary achievement. We must all be proud that we have such a person before us who is going to talk to us. While listening to him, I would like to tell you that you may concentrate on two aspects: learning aspect as well as the pronunciation, because his pronunciation is the best. And if you follow his pronunciation, you will be able to do well in the interviewing skill also. So you have a double benefit before you, and it is up to you to grasp as much as you can from such an eminent personality as Mr. R.S. Ramanujam. Therefore, friends, I have great pleasure in welcoming and introducing Mr. R.S. Ramanujam, who is going to take English for you. Thank you.